Hello guys, welcome back to the Sorta tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft crash 2021 1.16.5 error on your Windows PC and how you can solve this up. So let's get started. First thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the taskbar and you just have to right click and move to task manager, and you have to see whether Minecraft T launcher is available. So if it is available, just have to end the task, and followed by that you just have to see whether on the bottom also if any kind of things are running in the background like Minecraft game or Minecraft T launcher. You just have to do this for the same end task. You just have to do it. Once it is done, what you have to do is just have to follow my next instruction, which is very basic, simple, very simple, and it is very basic. When I'm done with this, the issue is does not happen for me. So what you have to do is just have to press Windows and R key all together, and you have to press percentage local app data percentage, and you just have to press OK. Now this will take you to this, and from here you just have to navigate to Minecraft folder and you just have to delete it. Okay, you just have to delete the Minecraft folder, and once it is done you just have to close this and reinstall the Minecraft game, and most probably this should be completely fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.